The Egg Game by Pikkii. Complete the challenges, don't drop the egg. Up the ante by using a box of real eggs if you choose. Use the fake egg for 1 point or use a real egg for 3 points. Make a score sheet to keep track of points. The last person who had egg goes first. Choose to use the fake or real egg, then pick a challenge card. Start the timer and begin the challenge. If a player breaks the real egg, they lose 1 point and must clean up the egg. Some challenges involve all players. The first player to reach 12 points wins. If multiple players get exactly 12 points, they must have an egg off, taking it in turns to throw the egg in the air and catch it with one hand. Each throw must go higher than the others. The first to drop the egg or not go as high is out. The Egg Game. 100 challenges, fun for the whole family.